Hello YouTube! How you doing? It's me, JBM77. I've just left work and I'm going home. Going home to have some dinner again. So I wanted to talk today about I went on Canadian then. About my sleeping basically. Lollipop lady. Here, get a lick, love. Go on, get a lick of your lollipop. Anyway, so last night I had a particularly weird night's sleep. Steaming. Let's wait for this blast to go over. And well, I've been asleep for about half an hour, and then this racket started. Yes, I'm trying to sleep, and this is the kind of shit I have to put up with. Shut up! Jesus. Shut up! Thank you! This like cat nonsense went on for most of the night. I must say, like, I forgot to indicate then. Whoops. Yeah. Our area is like hugely inundated with cats. I mean, there's literally like next door's got two, next door to them's got one, the other way next door but one's got two, the next door to them's got one, across the road's got God knows how many. So there's literally hundreds of cats, and every other night in the summer this racket kicks off. Like, I've actually seen them sitting in a circle in the garden next door, all sort of breeding and fighting and mewing and singing and having piss-ups and getting wasted and taking LSD and God knows what else. You know, it's horrible. It's horrible noise. I mean, the other thing is, I live right next to a cemetery. Like, literally at the end of my garden, there are dead people. So when you start hearing, you're having a weird night's sleep anyway, and then all of a sudden you start hearing at the top of their voice, like at the end of the garden. It can be a little bit sinister, and you know, so that was awful. Right, on top of that, okay, so I said I put a little post on Facebook asking folk whether I was a bit hungry, and I got some Stilton off the discounted thing at Tesco, and I fancied a bit of cheese before I went to bed, so I thought I had this bit of cheese anyway. Everybody's saying have it on bacon, or have it on bloody you know, not have it on bacon, have it on a batch with some you know, melted Stilton and bacon and God knows what else. And I was like, yeah, I'm good for that. So I had it anyway. A few hours later in the night, I had a nightmare. I know they say you're not supposed to eat like cheese that late at night, 'cause it's bad for your brain. It makes you hallucinate things in your sleep. Which I did. I don't know what it was. Oh my God, voice cracked then. I don't know what it was. It was. All I remember is waking up at about 3 in the morning, shouting "No!" at the top of my voice, and then sort of feeling massively embarrassed. Go on then, darling. Oh, I know her. Yep, she knows me. Yeah. So last night's sleep was strange. I did get a decent night's sleep eventually, but it was a bit it was all over the place, and yeah, so you know, oh fucking hell. So just like to know, like what kind of weird crap goes down in your sleep. I mean, I dream a heck of a lot in my sleep. I literally, every night I have a huge load of dreams. I don't usually have nightmares, you can usually see them coming and stop on, but last night I think I was just so tired when I got home from work, and like, you know, you keep yourself out of bed for God knows how long and shit, and yeah, so anyway, so that's today's subject. What kind of weird shit goes down when you're trying to sleep? Any like disturbances, whatever, you know, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're a good chap, will you subscribe and rate me? I'm going really slow because there's a lot of wind noise today, and you're not going to be able to hear me, so fuck off, little black car behind me. I don't give a shit if I'm doing 30 miles an hour in a 40 mile an hour zone. You can fuck off, you can eat my exhaust, so whatever. Right, so anyway, this has been Drobium77, and I'll catch you lot on another day. Okay, bye, bye, woo!